Hey everybody, welcome back. I have had this little cardboard box now for probably 3 years, and this contains a little Mini Lindy Lindberg 1/64 kit that I bought on eBay. And when I ordered it, I forget what I paid for it. I tried to find it in my eBay history. I can't find it, but I just thought it was neat. I ordered it and it got shipped to me. It was in this box. I opened it up and it was in there, and it was cool and everything, and I checked it out, and we're going to look at that. But what I didn't realize, and I've mentioned this on other videos, I didn't even realize that the box that they shipped this in was the original box. So this is a 1967 Mini Lindy. What is that, 56 years or something like that? It's been in this box. Now on eBay they did show the car. Again, what's cool about this is not only do I have the car inside that I'm going to open up on this video. I've had some people say don't open it, but I'll be as gentle as possible while opening it. And but the coolest thing to me is that it's in its original shipping box. And Mr. Earl Morgan that it was shipped to, and it says here, it says rattle okay. If more than one item was ordered, the other items have been sent separately and may arrive in a different mail. What they're saying is it was okay if it made a rattle sound. But yeah, it's been in this box since 1967. And I know it has, because why else would they have stuck it back in the box to ship it to me? I don't know if this came from an estate sale or what, but I think it is the coolest thing to have, not only the car kit, but the original shipping box from Mini Lindy. I mean, that's Lindberg. But box 1000, Skokie, Illinois. Return postage guaranteed. Third class mail. I never even heard of third class mail. Didn't know that. I don't think it exists anymore. First class is as snail mail, other than medium mail, as you can get. But anyway, I thought I'd share this with you guys. Something that probably people don't see every day. It's these little miniature Lindberg kits. They're 39 cents back in 1967. And this is the MGTD sports car build and collect series. There are a lot of these built. Some of them are worth quite a bit. I did find one just like this, the only one I saw on eBay. I did take a snapshot of the screen. The one I found on eBay is $50, and it's been opened. Well, I can't open it because that's not actually eBay, but anyway, yeah, it was opened and showing all the parts, and they were wanting $50 for that one. So that's pretty cool. I don't remember, I didn't pay anywhere near that. I might have paid $20 to $30 for it because I just thought it was cool. This actually says 1968. Scalemates had it at 1967, so let's say 55 years trapped in this box. I think my math is right. Snap fit assembly, weighted body, rubber-like tires, steel axles, 5 colors, chrome parts, in full color, manufactured by Lindberg Products Incorporated. Yeah, isn't that cool? Here's the list of the other ones. They made, what, 32 of them. Wow. So I'm going to try to open this up. It's a sealed box. It's like a, I'll have to try, make sure not one side's any easier to open than the other, but I wanted to open this thing up. I want to see it. I've seen some built Mini Lindys, and I've seen the pictures of them on eBay, but I wanted to see if I can't get it opened and check out the contents. I'm going to try to do this as gently as possible without destroying the box. Seems easy so far. I think I got it. There it is. So, how many of you guys have built a mini Lindy? I mean, this one never made it to a a rack, you know. Golly, it's so cool. Established since 1933, the Lindberg line. I guess they may have done wooden airplanes or something like that. Alright, so here we go. Ready? Let's see the Mini Lindy. First time it's seen light since it was put in this box back in 1968. Decals, chrome. Ooh, oh, it's got weights. It says weighted body. That means you put weights in it. Here's the tires. Holy cow, that's little. So there's the body. Say 1/64 scale. It's yellow and not green. Now, you would have thought they would have done it in green, because most kids would have just opened this right up and snapped it together. That's really cool. Too cool. I love it. I love this kind of stuff. Just a little time capsule. There's the body. Oh, you know it's old. Check this out. The screws that hold the body are flathead screws. You know it's got some age to it if they're flathead, not Phillips. Here's the roof and the steering wheel and another part. I don't know what that is. The roof's got the pins to put it on there. That's so neat. Itty bitty steering wheel. You can see how small it is compared to my half a thumbnail. Matthew, your fingernails gross me out. I hadn't seen a comment like that in a long time. So, yeah. Your fingernails are gross. Sorry. Glad they're not yours. There's, it says Lindberg on the bottom of it. It's got the few little details on the bottom of it. Number 15. Yeah, because this is the build series 15 and it is number 15-39, which would have been 39 cents that they would have paid for this. It's got these little weights, little metal weights. I guess you'd just put in there to give it some weight. Here's the windshield. Holy moly. There's the windshield. Teeny little fella. Been rattling around. I've smoked it up. It's like the moisture off my hand. Yeah. That's it. It's even got a part number on it. Was it number 15? I guess it is, because this isn't actually a part number. Here's the metal axles. Right there. Little axles with splines on it so you could press the tires on it. Decal sheet that is completely shot, but oh well, it's in there. It's complete. Got 3. Maybe that was for if you want to do a race car. You'd put the white dot and then a number over top of it. And some racing stripes. And then 1, 3, 4, 5, 9, 15, 17, 18, 20, 26, 28, and 30. Maybe this went in all those different those different kits. There's your chrome pieces. Little teeny weeny little rims, bumpers, and your grill. Not much to it. Not much to it at all. And it would all just press fit, I suppose, being it said snap assembly. There's the instructions. That is so neat. Look how big the screws are in the picture. That's something. Giant screws. Follow the numbers to assemble the model, or assemble model as numbers indicate order of assembly. They don't have numbers on the parts, but they have numbers on the pictures. Screw her down with the big flathead screws. And if you want to put some decals on it, there you go. And then the tires. I'm not going to open the tires up. I think I'll leave them in the packaging. But there they are. Do they have tread, or they're slick, but they have the design pie crust, or whatever you want to call it, you know, like if it were pie crust slicks. But they're really small. That is really, really neat. They're still kind of rubberish. But anyway, short video, small car, a few parts, and I'll put it right back in its box. And I'd like to get some more of these. I've looked at them in the past, but sometimes they're a bit pricey. But it is a super cool little item, and to have, again, the original shipping box, man, that's too cool. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that. I've been wanting to open it for so long, but I was like, you know, it's never been opened. I don't think I'll open it, but what's the fun of that? One day I'll be gone, and I had never seen the inside of my Mini Lindy. So I do now, know what it looks like. And one day, I might just build it. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate you all. If you're watching this video, and you're like, wow, he's been putting out a lot of these unboxing. The reason of that is we planned a trip up to the mountains, and I had to have a few videos to try and give to you guys. I didn't have to, but I chose to. And so I said, you know, I'll unbox some cool stuff. And that's why. Didn't want to start a kit and a day or two into it and then leave, which that's okay. And I might still do that, because today is just recording of this video is, what is today? Tuesday, September 26th. I don't know when you're going to be seeing this, but it'll be after that. And we will be in the mountains. So I needed something. I might try to do a video of maybe some antique shops, but I've pretty much exhausted all the resources up there where we go. But I might carry the camera with me and check out some cool stuff in maybe an antique shop or two if we do go do that. But if not, you won't see it. But anyway, hey guys, thanks for watching and subscribing and liking these videos. If you don't mind, give it a thumbs up and tell me about it. You ever had a Mini Lindy? Tell me about it. Well, how old were you when you got it? Did you build them when they were new? That would be fun as a kid to get something like that. Throw it together. Literally 5 minutes you could be done with it. But some little kid would just have a blast with that. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out Hobby Nut Models, the Facebook group, the Spring Store, and thank you to my Patreon members. And we'll see you guys sometime. I don't know when you're going to see this, but anyway, when you do, I'll see you soon. All right, everybody, take care. See ya. Bye.